Hello, my Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature. And yes, it's that time to open up our Boxycharm subscription box. So we're going to have the reveal of what we have inside of our Boxycharm. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss another video or another great video from Girl You Foxy. This is Foxy by Nature, and let's jump right in. So, we're going to open up our Boxycharm box, and Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. They cost about $27 per month, where you get 5 full-size items of makeup products, beauty products, different things pertaining to beauty, and everything from makeup, lotions, facial creams. It could be a group of different things, 5 full-size items of what you can try. And then if you like them, you can purchase them from their websites, or you can go onto Boxycharm's website and purchase them as well. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in, and I just want to see what we have inside, because it's just so exciting to get something every month. You don't really know what it is unless you've been looking at some of the sneak peeks, but if you're like me, I haven't really had time to kind of check on the sneak peeks. But the theme this month is Spellbound. So I figured it would definitely be something pertaining to kind of Halloween or the fall or something like that. So what Boxycharm does is it explains the different items that you're going to be receiving in your box, and it also lists the retail value of what you're going to be receiving inside. So our first item that we're going to reveal is from Laura Geller. Let you take a look at that. It's from Laura Geller, and it is a Spackle Skin Perfection Primer. So this is a skin primer, or something that you would put on your skin prior to putting on your makeup. And it has a safety seal on it. We're going to take that off. And it has a pump tube where you can pump out the product, either onto your hands or pump it onto your face, however you choose to apply the product. And it is a hydrate moisture, and it hydrates, moisturizes, and replenishes your skin prior to putting on your makeup. Now, the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer actually retails for $32, and you can follow them at Laura Julep Beauty if you'd like to follow them on Facebook for more information. Okay, so there we have our first full-size item. And the next item, I don't know why this reminds me of something that I would get as a prescription from a pharmacy. The labeling is kind of going around looking like that. I'm not sure that if that's good marketing, but anyway, this is actually called Malin and Goats. Malin and Goats. It's a resurfacing face serum. It's a 3-in-1 gel serum, and it's synthesized with vitamin C to help smooth and clarify and brighten your skin. And this is what it looks like. It still, again, reminds me of something that you'd get from a pharmacy or some type of a prescription. But it's a face serum. And we're going to open this up, and I just kind of curious. It probably comes in a little tube where you can just put the serum on. And it just comes out in little droplets that you can use as this face serum, and it's supposed to replenish your skin. Maybe that's their marketing too. If you'd use something like this, maybe people would use it because it looks like something. It has a kind of a minty smell to it. And this actually retails for $70. So maybe it's definitely something in here that can help sensitive skin. And if you want more information about it, it's Malin and Goetz, G-O-E-T, Malin, M-A-L-I-N, and G-O-E-T-Z, to kind of get a little bit more information about what it's about. I'm going to try it, and I'm going to read up a little bit more about it. But this bottle itself retails for $70. Okay? So the next item in our Ipsy bag, in our Boxycharm, it's called Kinder Beauty Lip Mask. And this is the packaging that it came in, which is a cute little floral box, which I think is really cute. And we're going to open this up. It's a lip mask. So this is what you would do probably prior to putting on your lipstick, or maybe at night before you go to bed. And it is got a safety seal on it. May not be able to get it off right now, but let's give it a shot. Okay, we got it. It wasn't too bad. And I just want to see the consistency of it. It's a lip mask. And the consistency is kind of a, you know, like a Vaseline type of consistency. And you can put it on your lips. So it's a lip mask to kind of moisturize your lips, either prior to your makeup if you like, or, you know, before you go to bed at night. And that KND, Kinder, not sure how to pronounce that, Kinder Beauty Overnight Lip Mask, and it retails for $20. And this is the full size item of it. So this is what you would get when you actually purchase it. That's the size. Okay. The next item in our Boxycharm reveal is called Julep Beauty. And it is some makeup remover towelettes. And it's ironic because I actually need some more makeup towelettes to remove makeup. And I have some, and that's really, really cute. So it is from Julep, Makeup Remover Towelettes. It says, simplify your routine with these 2-in-1 wipes to gently remove makeup and impurities while refining your pores and toning your skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. So that's good for your skin. And this actually retails for $20 for a full pack of makeup towelettes. I can't tell how many is in here, but it's a pretty standard size of your makeup towelettes. And these actually retail for $20. Okay. The next item, the last and final item, they usually give us something big. And of course, it's a palette. You usually always get a palette. So if you're a beginner at makeup, Boxycharm is a subscription to subscribe to because it helps you build your makeup collection, because you usually get palettes or some form of a palette in each box. Now, this is a Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. So it's for highlights. And I like the packaging that it came in. And this is the cover of the palette. And we're going to open it up and see the highlighting palette. So these are our colors, highlighting colors. So you have some pinks, some bronzing color, some lighter colors to light up different things. And they have different names. It's called Oh Honey. So this is Oh Honey, Queen Bee, Be Sweet, and Spoiler Alert. How cute is that? Okay. Now this makeup highlighting palette actually retails for $38. So there you have it. So we have our 5 full-size items from Boxycharm. We have our palette, we have some makeup wipes, We have our lip mask, we have our primer, and we have our refacing serum that we have. So those are our items, full size, that we receive from Boxycharm. So thank you for taking the time for watching. And again, if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss another video from Girl You Foxy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.